I'm Leo Rackett. I manage the logistics center in Sapporo for Mendelson Infrastructure and Industries. Mendelson is essentially an infrastructure company that specializes in everything related to fluid conveyance. We have both fittings and piping. We have very, very large plumbing contractors. We have everything related to infrastructure, the electric company, Paz refineries. I started with a system that worked with paper. When we switched to working with the priority WMS system, we found it's very fast. All the operations that we perform are much faster, more efficient, and with almost zero errors.
Distribution time and goods preparation time have been shortened significantly. Priority is an easy and flexible system to operate. We adapted it to our needs in terms of shortening picking time, distribution, and storage. The entire warehouse workflow has been shortened.
The priority system is very easy and very flexible, so it can be tailored to the company's needs. We added more modules, AI, IoT solutions, all sorts of solutions that helped us create accuracy, synchronization, and transparency with control reports for warehouse and logistic managers and VPs of operations, managing the entire logistics chain in a unified, synchronized, and effective way.
Before implementation, there were many errors, and those errors required my daily intervention in the warehouse. As a result of implementing the WMS system, we managed to reduce the workforce, shorten employee training time, improve picking accuracy, and ultimately, in the bottom line, save a lot of money.